Lisa, you are head of video development at Cox, which means you're overseeing a lot of the new product development. And just today, you guys announced that you'll be introducing a new program guide that sounds like it's going to let consumers do a lot of cool things. Tell us about some of those.
Well, there's an integrated search feature which allows users to search by title, keyword, actor, or director, which director is a new type of search. The results that are returned include linear programs as well as video on demand and things stored on the DVR.
Now, is that the first time you've offered that kind of cross capability, and why is that important to consumers?
It is the first time, and it's important because as we have and continue to add more content to our platform, customers are actually not taking advantage of all the great content because they're finding it difficult to locate. In fact, we've done some research and discovered that 80% of the viewing is on 20% of the content. So with this new guide, we've really made it a concerted effort to make content more readily accessible and related content easy to find, and that's actually another feature, something that we call Browse Related, where writing the program guide, there are listings of programs that are related to the particular show that you're currently viewing information on. So, as an example, if you were looking at the Oprah Winfrey Show, you would see upcoming episodes of Oprah Winfrey. You would see related shows like Dr. Phil, and you would also see related shows in the same genre, other talk shows as an example.
So now, in that sense, it's kind of like a Netflix or an Amazon where if you like this, you might like that. What is the goal behind that, though? Do you see this as a retention play? Does that sort of capability make customers say, wow, this is really cool, I'm going to stay with my cable operator?
We think so. Certainly if the customer feels like they're getting more value out of the thing that they're paying the same for every month, then I think that's certainly an incentive for them to stay with that provider because they're getting what they perceive as value and what we perceive as value. We've spent a lot of effort and time bringing more content to our customers, and so we definitely want them to know it's there and to enjoy it.
Now, where do you see Cox going with something like this? You refer to it as a platform. Can you link it into online viewing at some point if you are to do anything like TV everywhere?
The information architecture for this new guide was built very much with extensibility in mind. We thought about all the different types of content we might want to add in the future, not just streaming video, but also new interactive applications. And so it's designed in such a way where we can plug in that additional content, that additional capabilities without breaking the navigation. So.
Lisa, where does Cox stand on TV everywhere? We know, of course, that it's a Comcast and Time Warner project. Is it something that you're interested in doing? Will you offer services like that?
Yes, we are very interested in that, and it's basically because we want to meet the needs of customers. We see that our customers want to consume video wherever they are. So they are paying for that content, and in our viewpoint they should be able to access it anywhere and anytime they want it, and so we're working to enable that.
Are plans in the works to introduce a service like that?
We are working on that. In fact, we have already implemented technology to be able to authenticate our subscribers on other websites. So for instance, NBCOlympics.com, we authenticated our subscribers who wanted to go to that website and view that content during the Olympics, and we'll continue to build on that, to offer that type of capability where customers want to consume the content.
Final question for you. What do you see as the secret sauce to success in video product development?
It's listening to the customer. It's absolutely doing market research, conducting focus groups, taking feedback from customers, and acting on it. And that's why we're very excited about this new guide platform that we're making available, because it's something that we've designed, we've put in place, and therefore we can evolve it. And our intent is to evolve it, to tweak it, to make it better based on what our customers are telling us.
Thank you so much, Lisa.
Thank you.